Can hear it coming, Gabe. Get ready. It's a massive train. KiwiRail at Waihola, at Lake Waihola. Can hear it. It's getting closer. I knew it was a train. Can hear the lights dinging down there. There we go, it's coming. No, bro, don't be scared. It's just a train.
That's bad, bro.
Yeah, I know. When it's right here and we tell it to honk its horn, it'll be even really louder. Get ready.
And film now.
Wait, it is filming. It's already filming. It's already filming. Wait, what?
43 carriages and 2 trains.
Nice. Here we go. This is the train.